Welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today we came up with an interesting video that is on how to create a hierarchical chart using the Microsoft Excel. Now, basically, before starting the video, we would understand what is this hierarchical organization chart. Before that, I would like everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon also so that you can get all the notification on upcoming videos. Do check the playlist. You will find videos related to Six Sigma certification, then training and team leader interview related questions, KPIs, KRS, MS Excel dashboards, trips, tricks, many more videos are there. And there are approximately 127 videos that will help you in cracking the interviews. We do also have a latest videos on how to prepare for the SME and how to prepare for the WFM role. Do check out guys and keep sharing the videos. So today we will start to learn how to create the organization hierarchy. What is this? Basically, whenever you go for the higher level reviews like WBR, QBR, and when you are showing your data or whatever work you guys have done for the quarter or for the month in front of client, you need to show your hierarchy, like who are they at the higher designation, then who are under them, then who are under them. We need to show this particular organization hierarchical chart. Okay, how we can prepare in one shot? What people basically do, they will open the presentation, they will use uh like they will use this shapes and they will create some flow chart, and they will start preparing and connecting those with the different lines and arrows, and they will just waste their time. It will take approximately half an hour to 1 hour. Now today we will learn this within 5 to 10 minutes so that it will easy to create and we can easily paste it over here our presentation and wherever we require. So let's start this. So basically I'm considering that I'm preparing the organization hierarchy chart for the operation manager, wherein they have two assistant manager under him, and there are two team leader basically for the assistant manager 1 and assistant manager 2, and there are few employees around to him. You can mention as per your requirement. So basically to prepare this, what we need here is we need to go to insert on the top of the screen. You need to click on smart art and you need to click on hierarchy. Here you can select, there are many ways. One, you can go with organization chart. Another, you can go with picture, like suppose you are mentioning there he's an assistant manager, he or she, you can add the picture for the particular person. You can also go with the name on the title, many things as per your requirement. I'll select the first one, a basic one. Okay, this is done. Now I will do right click. Once you do right click, there will be an option that is show text pan. Remember this, show text pan. If you do this, you will get some text box here. You just need to select all and backspace, it will remove everything. Now whatever you have copied from here, whatever it just went, because just a blank cell, that's the reason. Okay, we again got this, and select everything and paste it over here. Now you can see it's showing in a straight line, which is nowhere matching with our requirement. So what about I'll do, I'll just give a tab option so that the assistant manager will move further. Then again I'll give a second tab on one more assistant manager. Again it moved further. Now what I'll do, team leader will be under assistant manager, yes, so we'll move in this way. And employee 1 and employee 2 will be under team leader. We will move 3 steps further. What I'll do, team leader will be under assistant manager, right? Yes, he will be under assistant manager, and employee 1 and employee 2 will be under the team leader. Just again tap, and one more tap. Great, we got our requirement, but it's not showing in a good way. It's not showing in a good way. It's showing in a not perfect way, imperfect way. So again I'll do right click, I'll go to the change layout. If you click here, okay, and definitely you can see you will be getting different type of chart. Whatever we have prepared, it will just change the layout for this particular graph. Okay, let me choose this. Okay, let me choose this. Great. Okay, I have chosen this. I got this particular uh, hierarchical chart where I can use this. I can paste the screenshot directly to the presentation mentioning operation manager, there are two assistant manager, then there is a team leader, it has two employees. Now I just mentioned here employee 1, and you can mention the proper names with the designation below to it. You can mention everything, whatever details you require. Even you can choose image 1. How you can do, right click, change layout. There is one more chart which include the images. Yes, here it is. So here you just need to click on this image. It will ask you to browse from the file, select that particular image, it will get pasted here automatically. So in this way you can create the hierarchical chart. By the end of the videos I will be pasting few organization hierarchical chart for as an example, so that you can easily understand why we need this. Thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching, have a great day.